Welcome. Today, let's discuss how you can restore an old chat on Instagram with these updated steps. One method to restore an old chat is by utilizing Instagram data download. By downloading your Instagram data, you can access a copy of all your account information, including chats. Look for the chat you want to restore within the downloaded data to retrieve the old conversation. If you are unable to restore the old chat using Instagram data download, you can explore the option of third-party recovery tools. These tools are designed to help recover lost or deleted data from various platforms, including Instagram. By using a reliable third-party recovery tool, you may be able to retrieve the old chat that you are looking for. By following these methods, you have options to restore an old chat on Instagram. Whether through Instagram data download or third-party recovery tools, you can increase your chances of recovering the chat you thought was lost. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope this guide assists you in restoring your old chats on Instagram. Keep your conversations accessible and memories alive with these effective restoration methods.